Hello students, in this video we are going to look upon schematic editor and what are the functions of schematic editor. So in the last video we have seen the GUI of the KiCad, and in this we have an option like schematic editor. If you double click this, a schematic editor opens actually. So in this you have three palettes of icons. One is in the top and one is in the left and one is in the right. Okay, so in the top, as usual in various other softwares, you can see file, edit, okay, file, edit, view, place, inspect, tools, preferences, and help. Starting with file. So since we are in the schematic editor, it's used to save options, save the file, import various other non-KiCad and KiCad. Export, you can export here. Schematic setup, you can see page settings, which we'll see. Print, plot, and close, and then edit. You can paste options are available. Okay, view, you can see almost in the view point of view. Zoom in, zoom out, and or objects, selected objects like, and then exit. This will be useful when you have so much sheets in the schematic editor. So place symbols, power symbols, draw wire buses, almost. What are the objects which can place in the schematic is given in this place. Inspect. So tools. Now I am just giving an introduction of what are the options available, and some options we'll see here, which will be understandable in first point. When you first see the GUI, that is right now. Afterwards, some options will be explored. Right? Preferences. So preferences, I showed you the preferences in the last lecture. So the same preferences is available here, and help. So in the left, you can these are the options which you can uh, uh, which is based on or which is used to control the page. Okay, show grid, grid overrides, and millimeters. In here, small crosshairs can be show hidden pins. So once schematic has been developed here, you can use these options. So grid is the option which is used before the schematic, because you should know when where are the components to be placed in what arrangement. So that for that grid will be useful. And afterwards, this one settings, you can see here the properties. Okay, here, and in the control bar, you can see various options: print, save, plot, and find, replace, almost zoom in, zoom out. Okay, and various navigation, then mirror options. Then you can see these options will be new, other than which commonly used softwares. These are the we can see in other commonly used softwares. Other softwares. These are specific to KiCad. Okay, symbol editor, uh, library browser, footprint editor, schematic annotations, electrical rules checker, and then simulator, assign footprints, bulk bar, edit symbol, generate bill of materials. This will be useful after we complete the schematic, and then PCB. Okay, so these are the options which is used to create the schematic. Okay, so rectangle, set the rectangle, highlight nets. Okay, so some of these options was available here. Place, in this place. Okay, so place power symbols, draw wires. So you can see your draw wires is also available here. Okay, so some of the options which is used in schematic editor most commonly is placed in the right side. Okay, so you can see here. So as you proceed with this uh, schematic drawing, it will be able, will be more familiar with these options, right? Okay. So this is the basic introduction to the uh, GUI of schematic editor. So now if you save something here, okay, it will be automatically saved in third. Okay. So now I'm closing this and I am opening a new project. Okay. So in this you can see default. There will be many options available depending on your plugins and preferences. You can click this default KiCad project template. Okay. So you'll be sure it will be asking a file name. So you can provide a file name like PCB course. Okay. So this should be checked. Create a new folder for the project. Okay. So this is for organizing the uh, details of individual projects, which will be very helpful. Okay. So you can set the uh, directory. So I am putting it in desktop. Okay. Okay. Save. So now you can see here an individual PCB uh, file is being created and schematic file is being created. So now if you click this PCB course, so you can see here PCB course schematic editor is being opened. We'll see further details in the next class.